Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. In this video, we will be studying exercise number 11A, panel. How to use panel, how to create panel, and using that, how we can combine multiple windows. So this is output for panel. See, this is first form in which personal details with three labels, name, age, address, and three text fields for entering these data. This is first panel. Now when I click on this next button, it is giving me second panel, which is giving list of colleges. Select any college. You have to select any college, and then this is just an example how we can combine multiple windows. When I click on this back, it is opening first window. So we have used two panel in this program. First panel is displaying personal information, and after clicking next, it is displaying second panel on which we have displayed another tool. So now we will see how to create this application. Now for creating this application, first we should create panel. For creating panel, from toolbox select panel and just drag on your window. Now I have already created this panel, so you can create this panel. Inside this box, you have to write these personal detail, name, age, address, four labels, and then create three text boxes inside this panel. Okay. After that, and by right clicking properties, you can apply its back color whichever you want. In this panel, you have to add one more button, which is this is a button on which you have to type next this text. So on panel 1, we have to display four labels: personal details, name, age, address, text fields, three text field, and one button. And on one button, you have to type next this text. After that, we will create one more panel. Again, you have to take panel from toolbox and second panel. So on second panel, you can take any toolbox, any tools. I have taken one list box to display that colleges. So on this second panel, this is the second panel, you can see its properties. Panel, actually I have created, this is fourth panel. Your panel will be second panel. So in this panel, you will create one list box or any other tools you can take. Now how to open that next panel? Actually, you should. So on second panel, you will create one list box. Now how to make this panel as a full screen? Just click on this and click on this arrow and select dock in parent container. So it will be full size like this pink panel. If you select dock in parent container, so your panel will be full size just now as you can see. Now if I want to select another panel, just right click and send to back. So my second panel is visible, on which I have taken one label, select college list, and one list box to display the college list, and one button, and on that button you have to write text back. So this is our second panel. How to open first panel? Just right click and send to back. If you want, these are only two examples of panels. These two I have created. If you want to make it full size, just click on this arrow and dock in parent container. So now I'm deleting these two panels because I have already created two panels. Now we'll see how to write code for this opening two panels. Just double click on this next button. Okay. So this is my button 2. Next button is my button 2. Please make sure whichever button you have created. Next button is my button 2. When I click on next button, it should open panel 1. It should open panel 2. Sorry, it should open panel 2 visible true. So it will open panel 2 and panel 1 will be false. Panel 1 will be disabled at that time when I click on next button. Okay, when I click on next button, it should display second panel and it should make it panel 1 will be disabled. Now we will write code for next button. Open second panel, send to back, and now double click on back button. Now this time when I click on back, it should open panel 1 visible true, and panel 2 will be disabled. And one more thing we should add, when this panel 2 is open, it should display list of colleges in this list box. So double click on this panel, it will open panel 2 paint event, in which we are adding college names in list box 1 dot items dot add and name of college. You can add number of colleges in that list box. So it will be visible when you open panel 2. One more time we will run that project so it is clear. So this is run project. This is panel 1. On panel 1 we are displaying personal details and data for tools for giving personal details. Click on next. So second panel is displayed, on which we have displayed college list, and when I click on back, it is opening first panel again. So we have combined two panels, two windows using panel tool in VB.NET. You can create multiple windows, multiple sections in your windows using panel toolbox. Thank you for watching this video.